Yeah, and the expression of Garnacha Blanca is very special because we normally see this kind of red Grenache wines, but the white Grenache is very interesting really. Maybe it's more based on Catalonia, and that one came from Terra Alta appellation, which is a very small appellation in Catalonia, and this kind of people, they are very based on the white Grenache wines because on this appellation you cannot find these kind of big wineries. If not, you have small producer that really work very well with these own vines, working in low yields, and of course making a very nice expression of this white Grenache.
Right.
And yeah, it is from one of his wineries.
Yeah.
And it's just, the vinification is nothing about oak. It's just stainless steel fermentation, very fresh style of wine, easy to drink, and really, representative from the grape. And
So Clos d'Alliance.
Clos d'Alliance is the one.
Yeah. And so Terra Alta, just to recap what you said, Garnacha Blanca, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So I don't know. For me, it's like what do you want in a white wine, especially more versatile. Like you said, no oak, so there's like just like a freshness, but
Yeah.
it has so much character, you know.
Yeah, yeah. And normally white Grenache or Garnacha Blanca really represents very well the soil, and that's why normally these kind of ones are very based on the mineral side. And of course they have a lot of fruit like this kind of stone fruit and ripe stone fruit because of the Mediterranean climate that you can find on Terra Alta. But normally you cannot find very 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 complex wines.
Right.
But yeah, you can find wines that are very easy to drink, and of course it's a local grape. That's why
Yeah.
special one.
Right. You know, I find like it has an exotic nose, you know, like not necessarily floral, but like really just like sun-kissed. I think it's
Yeah.
expressing Mediterranean climate, but yet, like you said, it's so much minerality. It's
Yeah.
like, you know, I mean, like a lot of times people like to compare grapes to make it easier for them to understand them. So like might say, what kind of grapes do you think it reminds you of? Like international grapes?
Well, it's a difficult question, but maybe this kind of Rosan Marsan, which is the classic
Yeah,
blend
I was
from
thinking.
Rhone Valley. I think both Garnacha Blanca and Rosan and Marsan are very related
Of
altogether,
course.
and they are not very expressive grapes, but they are very based on the minerality. They are very based on the soil expression, and you have a very good palate with this kind of good acidity, good finish, good concentration.
Yeah.